How to use mobile commission app. To use mobile recharge commission app, first of all, you need to choose a reputable app, register as an agent, and then use the app to recharge mobile number for customers and commissions. You could also track your earning within the app as well. So for that, you want to select mobile recharging app that offers a commission-based earning and is known for its reliability. Open up your Play Store and go to commission and type in commission app. You could find a lot of applications available. If you have any sort of application that's available in your region, you want to select that out and click on the install button. Then you want to register as an agent, after which, or once registered, you could use the app to recharge prepaid mobile number, pay postpaid bills, and potentially offers other services, a DTH recharge as well. Now what you need to do is each transaction you make as an agent earn, which can be tracked within the app's dashboard or dedicated sections as well. So this is how you'll be able to use mobile commission app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.